Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this. TY Beanie Buddy 2001 India the Tiger plush. Without further ado, let's get into review. Now I did the Beanie Buddy of this earlier, well, a few months ago, and now we're doing this one, the Beanie Buddy, that came out in 2001. So, first off, here's the stripes on him. There's the paws. There's the whiskers, the mouth, the eyes. Look at the stripes on this one. I mean, it's just so cool. I mean, just here it is. Wow, it's just so cool. I mean, there he is like this. And here he is this, like that. And there's his mouth, his eyes, the ears. It's just so big compared to the other one I got of this plush. It's so softer than the other one. So it's so cool. And oh yeah, I just forgot. There's the tush tag. The Beanie Buddies collection. There's the back of it. Thai ink, copyright 2001. PE pellets, handmade in China, and that. And then there's, I don't know what those symbols mean right there. The CE with the CE code or something like that. Let me know down in the comments below what that means, because I have just no idea what that means. Areas like this. Areas like that. And that side. Areas like this. Yeah, like that side again. Hold on. Come on, let me bounce you. Hold on. There we go. Oh no, don't fall. Don't fall. Anyways, there he is like this. And hold on. There we go, that side. The stripes. There it is up top. And just like that top. And there's the mouth. The eyes are made out of plastics, including the nose. Yeah, the nose as well. And there he is like that. And like that. And like that. And like that. And then there's the feet. Right there. There's the paws. And the belly. And that's it. Alright guys. That's the TY Beanie Buddy 2001 India the Tiger plush. Alright guys. Bye. Oh wait, it's actually a Beanie Buddy. Not a Beanie Baby. Well, yeah.